Hello students, welcome to Physical Science Digital Classes Mehbooabad. Myself Narendra Babu Kotla, PGT Chemistry, TSMS Mehbooabad. Today, matter around us, Class 9 Part 2. In this session, we are going to discuss about properties of solids, liquids and gases. First, classification of matter as solids, liquids and gases. Properties of solids: ice, wood, coal, stone, iron, brick, etc. are some of the common solids around us. The solids have the following characteristic properties. Solids have a fixed shape and a fixed value. Solid substances are having fixed shape and fixed value. Solids cannot be compressed much. We cannot be able to compress the solids much. Solids have high densities. They are heavy. If you take the solid substances, they are having more weight, high density. Solids do not fill their container completely. So, solids cannot be able to fill their container completely. Solids do not flow. Solid substances cannot flow. If you keep a solid substance any place, so the solid will be present there only. It will not move anywhere. So, they cannot flow. So, these are the 5 properties of the solids. The first one is solids have a fixed shape and a fixed value. Solids cannot compress much. Solids have high densities. They are heavy. Solids do not fill their container completely. Solids do not flow. These are the properties of solids. Properties of liquids: water, milk, fruit juice, ink, groundnut oil, kerosene, petrol, etc. are some of the common liquids. The liquids have the following characteristic properties. Liquids have a fixed value, but they have no fixed shape. Liquids take the shape of the vessels in which they are placed. Like solids, liquids have a fixed value, but they don't have the fixed shape. Why? Because liquids take the shape of vessel in which they are placed. Like solids, liquids cannot be compressed much. Liquids have moderate to high densities. They are usually less dense than solids. Liquids are less in weight than the solids. Liquids do not fill their container completely. Liquids cannot fill their container completely. Liquids generally flow easily. So solids they do not flow easily, but liquids generally they flow easily. These are the properties of liquids. Properties of gases: air, oxygen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen and steam, etc. are some of the common gases. The gases have the following characteristic properties. Gases have neither a fixed shape nor a fixed value. So, solids, just like solids and liquids, gases they do not have neither a fixed shape nor a fixed value. Gases acquire the shape and volume of the vessel in which they are kept. Gases they occupies the complete volume of the vessel. For example, if you take a cylinder, it occupies whole cylinder shape. If you take a jar, it occupies whole jar shape. Gases can be compressed easily into small volume. So we can compress the gases into small volume. So that's why we can keep the gases in the cylinder, CNGs. Gases have very low densities. They are very, very light. A gas is much lighter than the same volume of a solid or the liquid. So gas is generally having the less weight compared to the solids and liquids. Gases fill their container completely. So if you take any one of the container, it completely occupies the container. Gases flow easily. So here also gases, they flow easily. If you observe in this, so this brick is a solid. A solid has a definite shape and a definite value. And the second one, this orange juice is a liquid. A liquid has a definite value but no definite shape. This balloon is filled with air. A gas has neither a definite value nor a definite shape. Let us take the one more example. Stone is a solid. It is rigid. Rigid in the sense hard and stiff. And this is the milk. Milk is a liquid. It is a fluid. It can flow. See, milk that can flow. So this is chlorine gas. Chlorine gas inside the container or the flask. So it is a gas. It is also a fluid. Chlorine gas is also a fluid. In this case, if you observe the solid, so solid substances, the particles are present very tight, very close. See here, the particles are present nearby, very close. And this is the arrangement of the particles in liquids. Okay, arrangement of particles in liquids. So compared to the solids, so the liquid particles are somewhat far away from each other and they are not in definite arrangement. So if you see this is a gas. So in this gas, the particles are very far away from each other and they don't have definite structure. Okay, this is the arrangement of particles, solids, liquids and gases. And if you observe in this, solids cannot flow, so they are not fluids. If you observe this, liquids and gases can flow, so they are fluids. Solids, they are not fluids, but liquids and gases, they can flow. That's why, so we can call them as fluids. Both liquids and gases are known as fluids. So please note that characteristics of liquids and gases of flowing easily is called fluidity. That means the characteristic property of liquid and gases of flowing easily is called fluidity. Due to fluidity, liquids and gases change their shapes readily when subjected to outside force. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.